Hello, this is Anastasia. I just want to say I don't agree with do-it-yourself travel. After my experience when I went to Greece, I would prefer to go through a travel agency, because what happened is we went to the island of Zakynthos, and I had booked a tour to go to the beach, the shipwreck island. And what happened is, we all good and well, we went there in the morning, got into the boat, got to our destination, and what had happened is my mother and my auntie couldn't get out of the boat, and I couldn't because of my knee, because it was a little boat, but next to us there was all these big ships that had like stairs that went onto the sand, so you could walk off onto the beach there. So my mother and my auntie couldn't get out of the boat to go onto the shipwreck island to have a look. So they sat in the boat while we went. So I just felt like if I had gone through a travel agency and known what to do, maybe we all could have had fun going on the island together. So through my experience, I will never ever book or do it myself ever again. I prefer to go through a travel agency and get everything organized and know what I'm doing and where I'm going, and make sure that I'm comfortable and my family's comfortable. So if you're thinking of doing anything, don't do it yourself, because there's always problems. Okay, good luck. Thank you. Bye.